Hi, welcome to ECE 221, Math and Science for the Young Child. I am Lori Marmerstone. I will be your instructor for this course. I wanted to take some time to walk you through the orientation of the course, so let's go ahead and get started. When you first enter the course site, you'll enter on the announcements page. That will be the page that the site will always default to. I do post a lot of announcements in this course because it's a fully online course, so please be sure to check the announcements page multiple times a week. I also email a copy of the announcements, so that will go to your Harper email. If you do not regularly check your Harper email, then please forward your Harper email on to an email address that you do check often. The next link here on the left is the faculty information link. This is the link you can click to find out how to contact me and the hours that you are able to contact me at. If you would like to contact me by phone, you can do so. My phone conference hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 12 to 2. You can reach me at this phone number here. You can reach me best through email, so you can email me at any time of the day, and I do respond pretty quickly when you do email me, but please allow 36 hours to respond to your email in case I need to do a little more investigation or reach out and contact someone else before responding to your email. If you do want to set up a virtual face-to-face conference, we can do that as well. Just email me and we can schedule that as needed. If you ever need to contact our department coordinator, Kathy Nicolai, for a question about maybe your schedule or a course or a certificate or degree, her information can be found right here as well. Moving down on the left here, the next link that you'll come to on our Blackboard page is the Syllabus and Course Outline link. This is where you can access the course syllabus. Make sure that you read through the course syllabus in its entirety, and I would also recommend reading through it multiple times to make sure that you're aware of the expectations as well. You can also see a copy of the course outline here, which gives a look at all of the different topics and content we will be addressing each week of the semester, and there are also highlighted dates of assignments that will be due as well. One of the most important links that you need to become familiar with is the weekly course modules link. This is the link you will access to find out what you will need to do each week of the course. Currently, you'll see in front of you just 1 week populated in the course module. As the weeks go on, I will put more modules, but just so you wouldn't get overwhelmed in this first week of class, I just included the orientation week module for you to click into and go through. I'm going to go ahead and click into this module so you can see all of the assignments that will need to be completed for this first week of class, the orientation week. As you click into the class, you will see on the left here all of the different things that you will need to complete this week. The first thing you will need to do is to obviously download and read through the syllabus of the course. Another thing you'll need to take care of this week is to purchase your textbooks. You are able to purchase them at the Harper bookstore, or you're free to search for them and find them online through a vendor as well. Clicking down further, you will see that you will need to download a copy of the Syllabus Statement of Understanding. That is the last page of your syllabus, and this tells me that you have read the syllabus and understand what it states and agree to all of the expectations and guidelines. So you will submit that there as well. And there is a copy for you to download and complete, so you don't have to worry about scanning the copy that is in the end of your syllabus. The next thing you will need to complete for this week is completing the student information form. The student information form can be downloaded here, and then once you complete it, you'll resave it and attach to this assignment link. This student information form just gives me a little more information about you as a learner to help me make sure that I am customizing this course site for everyone in it so that you will all be successful. The next thing that you'll need to complete for this week is a discussion board. So to launch the discussion board, you'll just click right there. It will take you to the discussion board. This week's discussion board is just an introductory discussion board where you will introduce yourself to your peers and let us know a little bit more about you as well. There will not be discussion boards weekly in this course. There will be some, but not consistent discussion boards in this course, and you'll see on the course outline when those discussion boards will be required for the course. If you have any questions about the discussion board, please feel free to let me know, and you can find more information in your syllabus about the expectations, guidelines, and grading for the discussion boards. I also posted a video here about how to add a profile picture to Blackboard. So if you haven't already done this in another course, you can go ahead and do that. Those little profile pictures come up when we're accessing the discussion board, and that way we can actually see what we look like since we're unable to be with each other in person. This folder here is the weekly course content for this week. In addition to completing all of those orientation assignments and getting us started and on the way, there's also some content that you will need to go through. This week we're going to just be reviewing the concepts of developmentally appropriate practice and active participatory learning. If you've taken ECE 115 or even ECE 101, these concepts will be something that you are familiar with. If this is the first time that you're hearing of these terms, then this information will be an introductory lesson for you. So make sure that you go through all of these different things here that will help you to understand and review those concepts. There's some articles, there's a video, there's some PowerPoint information, so just make sure you go through and you're clear on this content. If there's any information in here that you need clarified, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. The final thing in that content course module for this week is an application assignment. So you will watch a video and then you will apply your learning here. So make sure that you don't forget to click in and submit this assignment as well. So that is the weekly course module for this orientation week. Like I said, as the weeks continue to progress throughout the semester, I will populate the course site with more modules so that for those of you that would like to work a little bit ahead, you can. But again, for the sake of making sure that you're not overwhelmed this first week, I just posted the orientation week module for you. The discussion board is always linked within the course module if you do have to respond to a discussion board, but if you wanted to go back in and needed an easy way to navigate and to find that discussion board, you can click in here and access the discussion board as well. So you can see that introduction to discussion board link is also found here as well. Moving down here on the left, this assignment explanation videos link. Currently it does not have anything in it, but whenever we do have key assignments that will come due, I will post a video that will detail the expectations and guidelines of that assignment to help you understand how to complete it a little bit more clearly than just reading through those guidelines in your syllabus. We have a lot of small group activity plans that we will be writing as part of this course, and so I will be posting very soon a video about how to do that and what the expectations are for that as well. So I will post an announcement when that video is available for you. So for now, there's nothing here in this link. The final link here on the left is a link to the Illinois Early Learning Standards. Again, if you've taken ECE 115, you are familiar with the Illinois Early Learning Standards, as we use those a lot in our planning. And we will be doing so in our planning for this course as well. We'll be writing several activity plans for math and a couple activity plans for science, and we'll be using the standards here to be able to guide us in those activity plans as well. So you can find those standards there. So again, these are all of the links on the left here that you will need to use for the course. If you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to let me know. Okay, I hope that orientation video was helpful and gave you a lot of great information to get you started in the course. This is Cooper. He is my teaching assistant for this semester. He likes to join me while I'm doing my work, so I thought I'd go ahead and introduce him to you guys as well. He looks very excited to get started here as he's yawning. I think I've bored him. All right, if you guys have any questions about anything, don't ever hesitate to reach out and contact me. I want this to be a great semester. I want you all to be successful. I know right now we are in some crazy times. I know online learning is the only option that we have right now, and sometimes online learning is tricky. So if you have any problems, you're struggling with anything, have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask me for help. I want to work with you. I want to make sure that you are successful this semester. I'm here for you. Let's make it a great semester. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.